Hello students, here is the question. For the reaction 2Fe3 plus aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous gives 2Fe2 plus aqueous plus I2 solid. The magnitude of the standard molar free energy change, that is delta R G naught M, is. So here we are given some value, that is E naught of Fe2 plus to Fe solid is having the value minus 0.440 volt. E naught of Fe3 plus 2 Fe solid gives minus of 0.036 volt, and E naught of I2 to 2I minus gives us the value of 0.539 volt, and we know the Faraday is 96,500 coulombs. So here we know that in order to move from Fe2 plus to Fe, there are exchanges of two electrons in this case, and in order to move from Fe3 plus to Fe, there are three electrons exchanges taking in the place. So we can say, using the stoichiometry in this case, that in order to move from Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus, we will have only one electron change. So we multiply that over here, that is one electron change multiplied by the E naught value will give us the E naught for the Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus transformation. 2 multiplied by Fe2 multiplied by Fe2 plus to Fe E naught value will give us the value for 2 electrons in this case, and 3 multiplied by Fe3 plus to Fe will give us the E naught for 3 electrons in this case. And if you see, one electron, that is Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus and Fe2 plus to Fe, if we add to these two equations, we can say that Fe2 plus will get cancelled from the reactant and the product side, and we will have overall product of Fe3 plus to Fe directly. So if we take this to on the left hand side and move this on the right hand side, we can get the value of Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus, which becomes 0.772 volt, and using this value over here, that is the E naught for the entire cell is E naught Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. As you can see, 2 for Fe3 plus becomes 2 Fe2 plus, so the stoichiometry for both these terms is the same. And if you look at E naught for I minus to I2, it is double for I to I minus on the reactant side. So using that, we can get the value for E naught cell as 0.233 volt, and we know the delta G naught value is NF E naught cell. So if we know F, we know F, we know N, we know E naught cell. N is 2 because there are two electrons placed in this case. So using that, we can say that E naught cell will become, or G delta G naught will become 45 kilojoules. Thank you.